way into Leeds to go do a photo shoot with Barry, who has the X3M Competition. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen that car from when we went to the Peak District. But he's just recently got some new wheels, so we're off to go shoot some of them, take you to some new spots that I've not actually been to before, so it's going to be quite exciting to explore these new places. So I thought it'd be worthwhile to get some more content, I suppose, and show you his new car, because it's, well, it looks brand new because it's just had a full detail, and I think ceramic coating as well, and all the wheels have been coated and stuff as well, so it's going to look shiny. So I thought, yeah, it'd be nice to bring you along with me, and the weather's held up as well, so it looks quite nice. I like it when it's cloudy. Cloudy shoots are always the best because of it's not harsh light. So yeah, I'll catch up with you more when we get there. There he is, I don't know if you can see him. Just parked up. And now we're going to go meet him. He's just at the top. I showed you a slight introduction of him when I pulled into the car park, but I don't know how much you could see. So we finally pulled up with the X3M with the new wheels. Look at them. Just wait till you see the pictures and stuff that we've got with them. It looks smart. And this location, I think, I've smashed it with this. I've always wanted to come here, the first direct, to get some nice shots. I've literally been up there and around there and stuff, and we've got some more that can come down there. But yeah, look at that. Wait till you see the pictures. These actually look so good. I'm so happy with them. But yeah, we'll do a little talk around actually of the car, what's been done to it. So that's quite interesting as well, and how unique the wheels are. So I've just flipped over to the my camera now because the GoPro, the quality is a little bit shocking. But here we have the X3M Competition. What colour is it? Donington Grey, with the new wheels, as we've shown earlier, which you'll see. It's looking smart. There's been quite a few mixed opinions on these, but I think they're suited really well. I think they're really nice. So this is stage 1 boot mode 3 tune, and it is running roughly 650 brake with a kit on the front, Schnitzer kit at the front, with Maxton side skirts going all the way along to follow the lines and stuff, and then coming round to the back, a nice diffuser with a previous exhaust. You'll be able to hear that because it's quite loud, and it's a 3D design rear diffuser that's been put on it. It is carbon underneath the gloss black paint, but I was going to say, like, obviously the carbon, it wouldn't have suited the other gloss black accents and stuff that you've got on there. You can see that, and then I'll take you inside because there's a lot of carbon inside. So there's a new steering wheel that's been put on there. You can see that at all. And then the carbon all over the inside, everywhere. The M buttons as well. Moving into position now for the next part of the shoot. We've got a lot of pictures up there, but I thought it would be quite nice if we could frame that. Keep it in there. I think that looked quite well. Like, look at that, that looks so good. Look at the presence with the wheels and stuff as well. Yes. A little bit forward. Camera and go. Yeah, it's about right? Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I'll add the shots in so you can see them in a sec. So this is the first time I'm trying a pan shot. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Right, here we go. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure how that went. If not, I can just edit the ones that we got earlier to make it look like it. But yeah, how good does that look? Look at that. That looks sick. Especially in this location. Oh, we're going to rev some more revs. Yeah. That sounds so deep and throaty. Yeah, look at this location. Perfect for it. Yeah, the pictures are going to look mad. Yeah, let's get back inside now, wrap things up. So it's a little POV driving here. It sounds so quiet inside compared to what it is outside. Got the little carbon bits. So we've just finished and we're just on the way back. We're going to get some nice rolling shots on the dual carriageway heading back. Some little tunnel runs as well, so that'll be nice. So yeah, I'll show you them when we get there. But yeah, it's been good. It's been good. I'm really pleased with some of the pictures that we've taken. We've done a little bit of a video as well, so that's always quite nice as well. Don't know if you can see him in the interior window or the, or the window there. Up today's shoot. It was a load of fun and we went to some new spots that I've not actually been to yet. Got some decent pictures and stuff like that. So yeah, and the weather turned out really warm. I was like sweating in my clothes, and it's not good bending down all the time in jeans because I feel like I've got like rashes on my knees and stuff. But yeah, no, it's a really good shoot. Got some really good content and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm excited to edit it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll probably take you again on another one when I next get out shooting, because that's quite fun. You know, I like that, taking you on the behind the scenes to kind of show you around a little bit. So yeah, overall a good day apart from that, but yeah, no, I'm happy.